Hi everyone, I want to show one of the best cordless drills on the market with the price under $100. The name is Steinhaus, and actually the price is exactly $70 or 60 euro. With all this extra which you can see here, you cannot find any other brand for this price. Also the cordless drill Steinhaus Pro CD144-2 is coming and with extra battery. Here you can see what is the parameters of the cordless drill Steinhaus. It's 14.4 voltage. The RPMs can reach 1250 and you have maximum torque of 30 Newton meters. The battery is fast charged and can be charged only for 1 hour. The capacity of the battery is 1.3 amperes per hour. Let's see now what is inside of the box. It comes with a really comfortable plastic suitcase, which can help you to move the equipment everywhere. There is a menu inside on different languages, so you can see exactly all parameters here as well. There are 2 speeds. And 20 positions for the speed as well. The battery itself has a charge indicator, as you can see. It's fully charged, this one. A button for a different rotation. Also there is a LED light which can help you when you are doing your job. So it's a perfect tool which you can use for your hobby and for your home job. Really good price. There is a battery charger as well. And as I said, it's fast charge and can reach maximum capacity only for 1 hour. What is inside also in the set? There are a few bits and drills here. Some basic stuff, but as I said, it's better than nothing. There is also an extension. Magnetic extension. And drills. Also inside there is a nice clip which you can use here. I think this is a really nice cordless drill for this price. Doesn't matter that it's made in China. It covers all European standards because it's made for European market. It's much better price than another brands like Makita, Bosch, Black & Decker, for all these parameters which you can take. Steinhaus Cordless Drill Pro CD1 442. Thank you for watching.